Galaxies are vast kingdoms of stars. Some are giant balls, and others complex spirals. Thing is, they never stop changing.
While it may seem when we look out at our galaxy that our galaxy is static and been here forever, it's not. Our galaxy is a dynamic place. Its very nature has been changing over cosmic time.
Galaxies not only change, they move as well. And sometimes they run into each other. And when they do, it's eat or be eaten.
There's a zoo of galaxies that you can find out there, and this entire zoo can interact or collide with any of the other members of the zoo.
This is NGC 2207. It looks like an enormous double spiral galaxy, but it's actually two galaxies colliding. The collision will last millions of years, and eventually the two galaxies will become one. Collisions like this happen all over the universe. Our own Milky Way is no exception.
The Milky Way is in fact a cannibal, and it exists in its present form by having cannibalized small galaxies that it literally ate up. And today we can see small streams of stars that are left over from the most recent mergers that have formed the Milky Way galaxy.
But that's nothing compared to what's coming up. We are on a collision course with the galaxy Andromeda. And for the Milky Way, that's bad news.
Our Milky Way galaxy is approaching Andromeda at the rate of about 250,000 miles per hour, which means that in 5 to 6 billion years, it's all over for the Milky Way galaxy.
You would see the entire Andromeda galaxy speeding towards us, really barreling straight into us. As the two galaxies interact, they both become more and more disturbed and closer together, and the whole process starts to snowball.
The two galaxies will enter a death dance.
This is a simulation of the future collision, sped up millions of times. As the galaxies crash together, clouds of gas and dust are thrown out in all directions. Gravity from the merging galaxies rips stars from their orbits and shoots them deep into space.
As we approach doomsday for the Milky Way galaxy, it would be spectacular. We would have a front row seat on the destruction of our own galaxy. Eventually, the two galaxies will go right through each other and then come back and then coalesce.
It's strange, but the stars themselves won't collide. They're still too far apart.
All of the stars are basically just going to pass right by each other. The probability of one individual star hitting another individual star are basically zero.
However, the gas and dust between the stars will start to heat up. Eventually, it ignites, and the clashing galaxies will glow white hot.
So at a certain point, the sky could be on fire.
The Milky Way and Andromeda as we know it will cease to exist, and Milkomeda will be born, and it will look like a whole new galaxy.
This new galaxy, Milkomeda, will become a huge elliptical galaxy without any arms or spiral shape. There's no escaping what's going to happen. The question is, what's it mean for planet Earth?
We may either be thrown out into outer space when the arms of the Milky Way galaxy are ripped apart, or we could wind up in the stomach of this new galaxy.
Stars and planets will be pushed all over the place. So, this may well be the end of planet Earth. Galaxies all over the universe will continue to collide. But this age of galactic cannibalism will eventually pass. Because there is an even more destructive force in the universe, a force that nothing can stop. It will ultimately push galaxies away from each other, stretching everything until the universe rips itself apart.